What's up, everyone? This is Backwood Creek Airsoft. This is the first unboxing video. This is of a revolver pistol, UHC. I got this from Pyramid Airsoft. If you guys want to check out that website, look at the link below in the description. So, I ordered this gun last Friday, but I received it this Friday. But I was supposed to get it Wednesday, but I couldn't pick it up because it was delivered by FedEx, and you had to have a signature, and no one was here. People at work, I was at school. So, got it today. We had to go pick it up. It was on hold. So here's the box. It's got some, looks like some copper colored, looks like steel, big old staples. That's what it looks like. But up under here would be the address of my house. It says fragile. So we're gonna try to get this open with this little bitty knife. Alright. Okay. Just gonna skip over those metal bars and this right here. Here, let me go get some pliers real quick. Okay, so this is the best thing I could find in like 5 seconds. So, well, I guess they are big staples. Freaking copper staples. Like, look at that. They're big. Get these, rest of these. You know what? Let's try to get this real quick. Alright, I'm gonna cut the camera here so I can get all these out. So but there's about 6 of these big copper staples, and I forgot to get that last one. So let me get this one real quick. Those are big staples. Alright. Dang. Torqued the box big time. Alright. A lot of paper. Shipping information. Looks like a little magazine. Okay, so Pyramid Air. It's a gun mall. It's over in Ohio. So, ooh. They do carry a lot of good guns. I mean, I would like to buy. I'm gonna buy more guns from this site. So, just a magazine. Okay, now here's the gun itself. It's pretty heavy. Alright, so there's even freaking staples on the back. Move that box out of the way. Okay, so it's a revolver gun, air type. Inside they show some different types of guns they have. Alright, so let's get this open. Okay. So here we have gun manual, some stuff like that, the warning, like what not to do. It comes, okay, so warranty policy. Okay, so here we have, I guess, nothing right there. This gun does have pop-up. here you have the shells, the replica shells. It comes with 8 shells, one looking like this, and it's got some rubber at the end to where you put the BB in here. And if you can see, there's blue BBs in the back, sample BBs. Okay, so here's the gun itself. Mine is an 8-inch. Dude, that is nice. I like that feel. It's really comfortable. Here's a sticker down here that says "Warning, not a toy." Take that off. Here you have the UHC symbol, and you have adjustable hop-up right here in front of the front sight. So, to remove the barrel or take out the cylinder, you pull this back, and then you cock that. And it's a replica, so if you want the shells to eject, you does that. You get it again. It's a double action revolver, so get that foam off. You have to. This rotates the barrel, but you have to cock this. That's really tight, but that is a really nice pistol. It's ABS plastic. It may look like it's real metal, but this is a really solid gun. These pistols are good. Alright, so I'll set this down. Guess I'll give a little test with the sample BBs. Alright, let's open this up. I'll get like one BB out. Alright. So you take the BB and then you put it in the back of the pistol and to where it's just like that. Now you pop the cylinder out, put a bullet in the chamber, close it up, and then got it cocked, and then I don't know if that shot. See this real quick. Yeah, it's shot. So yeah, it's a really, this pistol is looking really nice so far. But oh wait, that's probably why it didn't shut, because it has the stopper right here. So if any misfire. So there's the BB. Wow. Do this one more time. Crap. Put this here. Close that up. So it kind of stuck right there. It's got a big dent. So this comes with 8 shells, and these are plastic, ABS plastic also. So I really like this pistol, guys, and you'll probably enjoy that too. Shells will slide out like that, but if you want it to make it look more realistic, you can just go like that. Alright, so let's see if I can find anything on the FPS or something like that. It's a 1 scale model. I think this gun shoots around 240, 250 FPS. Okay, so in here, got just what's all on the gun, and forgot to mention this. There is a safety up under here. Have it forward, it's off. It's off. Have it back, safety's on. It just shows you some directions. And this stuff. And then it's got Chinese also. There's some other stuff, the Q&A. It tells you about the hop up. And then here you got 2 targets, 2 shooting targets. So this gun, guys, I would recommend it so far for now. But if you want the review, you can go to my page and check that out, which I'll probably do tomorrow. So, I'll give a test of this gun. So, the only thing that's really metal is this right here. Alright guys, so this is Wood Creek Airsoft, and hope you guys like the unboxing. Go to my channel to check out the review. So yeah, see you guys.